this video, I'll show you how to replace the drum cartridge. First, open the front door, and then open the side door as well. Then, using this lever at the front, move it clockwise, and then slide the drum cartridge out, ensuring you use the handle at the top. Return the old drum to us so we can recycle it. Remove any packaging from the new drum, and then holding the handle, pointing upwards, slide it back into place. Then lock the drum in place, close the side door, ensuring it clicks into place, and then close the front door. And that's how you replace the drum. Thanks for watching.